her. Guys, these are extremely comfortable, great for summer, like if you're going in like on a vacation for water activities, sports. Love this for us. Let's see. Adjustable in the front. They do have the support around the waist. They are lightweight outdoor shoes. So absolutely, absolutely love them. Again, you could also use these for hiking. They do have grips on the bottom. And they do have great arch support too, guys. And I really think like anyone who's going hiking, water shoes, you need them for like the summertime. These are really, really great for you.